Hello and welcome again to Crypto Gems. So I'm very excited about today's video because we're not only going to be going over how you can create a BlockiFi account, I'm also going to be sharing about the awesome perks and bonuses that they have going on at the moment for anyone who signs up. So we'll get right into it. I will be going over this in the video today, and all links, as always, will be found in the description below, so you can go check it out to create your account, to read more on the bonuses, and any other relevant information. This is my opinion, and I am not a licensed financial advisor or registered investment advisor. If you follow the link, it should be on this page right here, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to go over the steps to creating your account. So first thing is that we're going to go here to get started. And the first thing it's going to ask us is to simply provide some basic details. So the first thing is going to be to put your first name, last name, your email. You're going to create a password, and you're going to be able to use the referral code that will be down in the description, or also if you follow the link directly that we'll be leaving, it should be appearing here. Then please note that you must be 18 years or older to have your BlockiFi account. So just once you agree to that and you read the terms and conditions, then you just select that and then do a simple robot check, and it will go on. So I'm going to fill this out and we'll go on to the next step. So right after you complete that first step, what you're going to do is just head over to your email, and you will be receiving this email from BlockiFi that's simply going to allow you to verify that the email is actually yours. And we're just going to follow the link that they provide for us. So that's great. We're going to go back to the login, and I'll log in with the credentials that we created, and we'll continue from there. So once you put in the email and password, initially use that login, it's gonna take you to the next step, which is to select what type of account you have. So pretty straightforward. Are you an individual or a business? In my case, I'll choose individual. You'll choose whatever applies to you. Then we're gonna go ahead and fill in our address information, starting with country. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that, and then we'll continue in the next step. So the next step is going to be to put our phone number. They are going to be using this to verify the account as well. So just put your personal number and continue to the next step. Next, we're going to put our date of birth. So this is so they can verify that we are in fact over 18 years old. So next, we're going to provide what is our source of funds. So you choose whatever applies to you. And this is just something to be anti-tax, just so they can be verifying where your money is coming from, when your account is growing. So just make sure to answer that and continue to the next step. So congratulations, if you're already in this step, you're almost done. So the last step would be to just verify your identity. And once you do that, you'll have your BlockiFi account all set up. So make sure to complete that last part. And now I'm going to be getting into the bonus that I offered and the current perks that are going on if you do create your account. However, before I mention all of those, I also want to say that since you are in this level already, if you're creating your BlockiFi account, if you've been seeing these videos, that means that you probably are already pretty far ahead in the game. So something to just keep you safe and keep getting more crypto, getting better at this, is to have everything secure in an offline wallet. So that's why I'm going to be leaving the link as well to the Ledger wallet. So in the description below, make sure to follow that. And there, you can see why Ledger is such a great option, and I'll be leaving also a link directly to the Ledger bundles. So they have offers on the wallets at the moment. I hope that by the time you're seeing this, it's still there available. So just make sure to check that out, and then you'll be able to definitely get your hands on the offers. So going back to what I mentioned about the current perks and promotions, so right now all new and existing BlockiFi clients are eligible to receive a rate boost of 10% APY. So this does have certain conditions, so it is a bit long to cover everything in this video. So I'll be leaving the link in the description where you can read and just get all the details and see, if this is an offer that you'll be eligible for at the moment. They also have one specifically for June. So if you're watching this video this month, then know that for new users, they do have another special promotion. So go and check that out. Again, the link will be in the description below. They also have partner offers. So the link that I leave will have all these details there. And that's basically it for the offers. They have these 3 offers right now. So just as a quick overview, what we went over is how to create your BlockiFi account, all the steps that you must take. I also mentioned the importance of having your own private address wallet, for which I will be leaving a link in the description below. and finally just all the promotions and current terms that BlockiFi has. So thank you for watching. Any questions that I was not able to cover in this video, make sure to leave them in the comments and I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Also, like this video and subscribe to our channel because we're constantly putting great content that will help you in your crypto journey. And thanks for watching.